I felt compelled to do a video today about this situation on therapy. Um, when people come to me as a registered social service worker, when they come for psychotherapy, sometimes they ask, can therapy fix my problem? And I automatically tell them, not even because I don't want to provide services to them, but no, therapy can't fix all our problems, actually. Um, Therapy can, however, help an interested individual to shift, he or she's approaches to their challenges. But before that can happen, is if we understand that we can't always walk around as a victim because of a traumatic experience we're still attaching ourselves to. Let me give more clarity. When you're a child and you go through certain things, you're helpless. You don't have the capacity or the frequency or the strength to help yourself. But as an adult, if we continue to walk around with our traumatic experience that we went through in our childhood, then you're pretty much telling me that you're using that as crutches to remain as a victim in your situation. One thing we don't want to do is remain a victim to what we went through in our past. So by, you know, detaching ourselves from that traumatic experience will enable us to be more mindful and present in receiving different types of approaches that can help us go through our challenges. We can't exempt trauma. No, we can't. But we can't continue to attach ourselves to these situations we've been through, which will kind of hinder us in receiving different types of approaches that can support us in our challenges. That is why, in most cases, therapy doesn't work for people. But overall, as a registered social service worker that offers psychotherapy, I'll tell you this: therapy won't work for you if you don't detach yourself from, that situation you went through, which still keeps you in the victim mindset. Detach yourself from your problem. Be present and intentional in your sessions, which will enable you to be aware of the different types of approaches that is being offered to you to help you go through your challenges. You can still thrive even though you've been through traumatic things. You can still persevere and push, but the approaches that are being offered to you won't work if you don't detach yourself from that trauma you've been through. I really hope this video does help anyone that is watching and listening to me. Take care and all the best.